This is Stephen Bridges with Construction Laser. iCON 6.0 just got released and wanted to go through some of the basics again, show you how to do what you've already been doing in the new fashion they've come up with. A lot better workflow, easier to pick up all your files. So what I've done is I've got a USB stick. Of course, you could get the files from Connex or email, wherever you want to get them from. But for this example, I'm using a USB stick, and I've just dumped my control, my line work, my surface, my storm, my utility points, all into inside the data folder. I just created a subfolder called CLI Training Site. You can also dump these just straight into the data folder instead of a subfolder, but subfolders just keep your data nice and neat. So what we're going to do to create this new project, first thing we're going to do is click on Projects. Now, one thing they've added here, I've got it in list mode right now where we can see all our projects in a list. You can hit this and it'll show it in little snapshot, screenshot view, and whatever the last view you were in when you were using the software, that's what's going to be shown on the preview window. So if you like the kind of a visual look of the site, you can view it this way, or you can just go straight back to the list view that you've been used to in the older versions. To create the new project, we're still going to hit the green plus. I'm just going to call this CLI Training and green check. So now instead of having a separate place to import data, we just click it right here on the project creation page. And up here, before you would click on internal memory, change it to USB. Now you can just quickly switch between them. If you also supports Bluebeam now, so if you have a Bluebeam installed and have a Bluebeam license, you can pull the files from Bluebeam. But we're going to do from our USB stick. And now I can see my subfolder that I created, so I can click on it. And another thing they've added is this filter up here. So if I want to see nothing but CAD files, I can change that. Now I only see the CAD files. If I want to see nothing but text data, ASCII data, see nothing but the text. But for this, I'm just going to leave it on all. And for the reference data, this is going to be my surface, my line work, and my stakeout points. So I'm going to click the folder. Now if you click the main folder, it'll highlight everything in there. So I'm not bringing in the control. I'm going to do that under control, so I'm going to deselect it. And now I have my surface line work and my stakeout points for my utilities. So I'll hit the control, and now I can grab my control points. So I'm going to hit my green check and green check. So it's letting me know it's imported the points, line, surfaces, and the 9 control points. So now if we go to Stakeout, we can see we've got everything we wanted. And there's all my stakeout points, my control points are in triangles. And that's all there is to it. A lot cleaner workflow there. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed, and catch you on the next one.